Hi, my name is Steve. In this video, I'm going to review the process of searching ICD-10 codes in ECW using the Smart Search. I'm also going to focus specifically on obstetric codes in this video. The first thing we can do is get to an OB flow sheet of a patient, and you can see I'm already in one. I have a patient here. It's her first pregnancy, and she's 8 weeks gestation. In this scenario, there's no complications. There's nothing that makes this patient high risk. So I just want a code for a standard, straightforward ROB visit. What I can do is click on treatment, and then go up to my assessment icon, the DX, and this takes me to the Smart Search window. Now, this very similar process when you would search for ICD-9 codes through this window. We just need to be specific in what phrases or codes we use to find the ICD-10 code that we want. So if I know that it's her normal first pregnancy and she's 8 weeks gestation, I can type out norm first preg, and you can see I get a Z34.00 code. I have a blue code, and then it gives me a black code right here. It's key to always click on the blue code because it gives you a secondary window that allows you to be more specific in which code you want. So if I click on the blue code, it expands to this window. And now you can see the Z34.00 is an unspecified trimester code. We want to try and stay away from all unspecified codes whenever possible. But since she's 8 weeks, we know that's the first trimester. So what I can do is select first trimester, and that narrows down to the code that I want. So I'll go ahead and select that code. Now I want to go ahead and put in her weeks gestation. So for that, I can simply type out 8 weeks. And you can see the first code at the top, Z3A.08, 8 weeks gestation of pregnancy. And I select that code. It's important to select the supervision of pregnancy code first because we always want that to be the primary code on the claim. And that's coding a very straightforward ROB visit with no complications. The next scenario that I want to go through is a patient that does have a complication. So what I can do is close out of here. We'll go to my other patient. In this scenario, it's an ROB visit. The patient is gravida4 para 3, and she's 14 weeks. She's also high risk because she's AMA, and we know that because of her age over here. So what I want to do is make sure that I code acknowledging that she is AMA. So what I can do here is just go right back to treatment and go up to my DX or assessment icon, and takes me right back to my Smart Search. Now I want to note the pregnancy is AMA, so I want that to be the primary code, so I'm going to do that first. So if I type out AMA, you can see the first code that I get at the top here is a blue code, 009.529, advanced maternal age multigravida. So if I click on that here, it brings me to the next window that allows me again to select what trimester. So if she's 14 weeks, I know that we want to go ahead and make her second trimester. So I go ahead and select second trimester, and we have that there. The next thing I want to do, again, is to go ahead and put in the weeks gestation. So we'll do 14 weeks. There you go. And you can see we have the Z3A.14, and I select that code. And that's making sure that you code the pregnancy specific to any complications or something that would be deemed high risk by CMS. And that's how you use the Smart Search when seeing obstetric patients. Thank you.